Hello, Year 4. Here is a research page that I would like you to have a go at doing. You've been learning about non-chronological reports for a few days now, and eventually what we're going to do is have a go at writing some of our own. And as you know, to do that you have to have lots of information about a topic in order to have the right vocabulary, the right level of detail. So what I want to have a go at doing is some research so that you have kind of a bank of information about a topic so that when we come to write some reports later, you've got lots of ideas. So this is an example sheet which I made up. Now you don't have to use this one in exactly the way it looks now. You can change the categories, you can change the layout of the page. This is going to become like a plan for you guys. So you can make it look how you want. This is just an example with some ideas. So I might put the name of the country here. By the way, there's a rule for this. You're not allowed to do the country you come from. You're not allowed to do any country you've been to before. So I want it to be something new. Okay. So I'm going to call my country Mr. Leechland. And I've just put some example categories here. So where am I going to find the information? Well, if it was a real place, probably I'd be looking at the internet. Maybe I could search something like what do people eat in Mr. Leechland, or what kind of food is popular in Mr. Leechland. I'll find some answers in the internet, and it will probably show something a little bit like this. Everyone in Mr. Leechland is eating healthily at all times. There is never pizza, and he certainly, sorry, not just he, and they certainly do not drink Coca-Cola. Okay, so remember the paragraphs in non-chronological reports are usually separated into different subjects. So Mr. Leechland may be the topic for the whole text, but within that text there are going to be different subheadings and different subcategories. So each of those boxes needs to have around a paragraph of information in it. So there's 2 sentences here, it's probably not enough. I need some more details there. I'm going to do the same for this one. So Mr. Leechland was created many years ago as a safe place for people to come and enjoy the wonderful videos of Mr. Leech speaking every new year. Therefore, people are tuning in to watch him speak to the country. Does it sound familiar, anybody who's from Russia, about the New Year? Okay, so try to fill in all those boxes. At the bottom it says what other categories can you think of, so you're not limited to these categories here. If you don't want to use those, you don't need to, but I want at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different paragraphs with different topics for your country. Okay, thank you for listening and good luck.